In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Steam app already running error. This can be a particularly frustrating issue for many users, especially when you're all set to play a game, but Steam doesn't seem to cooperate. So let's dive in and resolve this together, step by step. First, head over to your Steam application on your computer. Now, I know the temptation might be to try and launch your game directly, but patience here will save you some frustration. Once you're on the main interface of Steam, look towards the top left corner of your screen. You'll see the word Steam nestled right there. Go ahead and click on it. This will reveal a drop-down menu filled with various options related to your Steam application settings and functionality. Okay, moving forward, within this drop-down menu, you're going to see an option labeled Exit. Click on that. What we're doing here is effectively closing down the Steam application to ensure any background processes it might still be running are stopped. With that done, the next tool we're going to use is the Task Manager. There are a couple of ways to open Task Manager, but one of the most straightforward is by right-clicking on your taskbar and selecting Task Manager from the list. This is an essential tool to manage applications currently running on your PC. Now that Task Manager is open, you'll notice several tabs at the top. We want to focus on the tab that says Processes. This tab shows you all the apps and processes currently active on your system. Take a moment to scroll through this list and find any entries related to Steam. Sometimes, even if it looks like Steam has been exited, there might be some residual processes still running. Once you've found anything related to Steam in this list, go ahead and right-click on it. You'll see a few options pop up, and among them will be End Task. This is the magic button that will close down those stubborn background processes that are causing the error. Click on End Task to completely shut down these processes. Finally, with Steam now completely closed, let's open up the Steam app again. Navigate back to it and launch it like you normally would. Doing this should have reset the processes that were initially causing issues, allowing you to enjoy your games without further interruptions. And there you have it, a full roundup on fixing the already running error in your Steam app. This simple method is usually effective for most users experiencing this issue. So next time you encounter this error, you'll be well prepared to tackle it head on. Thank you for watching and happy gaming!